Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Barra Ihsan from 9B class, and welcome back to our episode of this podcast. Now we're gonna have a podcast about our study plan. Here we have a special guest. Hi Reveeno.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Okay Reveeno, I think I please you to introduce yourself first.
Okay, so hello guys, my name is Reveeno Dhirgham Putra, and you can call me Vino or maybe Reveeno. So I'm from 90 class, and I live in Cibubur. I was born in Jakarta, and I'm today 13 years old.
Oh, 13 years old.
Yeah,
When you born actually?
on 2008, 7 November.
Oh, 7th November.
Yeah, I'm quite young.
Uh, do you have a breakfast today actually?
Yeah, I just recently had a breakfast today on the kitchen.
Oh, the kitchen.
Yeah.
What the menu?
It's quite weird, rice with potato
Hmm.
and with noodle, bihun.
Oh, as usual.
Yeah, as usual.
So, do you have any plan on what major do you pick in vocational high school?
Vocational high school, the major. So yeah, it's quite hard for me to choose one because I have two options,
Hmm.
software engineering and multimedia. But now I prefer to choose multimedia
Why?
because it's really fun to design some stuff by yourself, and you can get
Oh.
easy money from that.
And also, software engineer is some of code you know, it's kind of confusing.
Yeah, it
Something,
is. Software engineering is kind of confusing and it's hard. You need to do some hard working, brain power,
Hmm.
just like mathematics.
Yes. What what do you will do in the multimedia? Is it design or photographer?
Multimedia, especially, I'm designing some UI UX.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Like I've designed calculator. Online food shop,
Oh, in Photoshop.
Yeah.
Ipai.
and then some Vicker app, experimental.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, I'm now trying to learn how to design 3D stuff.
Oh, you want to learn 3D to what? For what?
So yeah, you can sell your 3D design to a video game company.
Oh,
So
video game.
yeah, you can get many money from that because video game company usually wants to have a very good 3D design for their games. So yeah, I'm learning for making a 3D design.
So in multimedia, what job do you will get? Is it like only freelancer?
Fluent. I haven't thinking for that
Oh,
because I'm still learning.
oh, you are still in junior.
Yeah, I'm still junior, just like you.
Hmm.
So yeah, I've been thinking of selling some designs on Fiverr.
Oh, Fiverr, the
Yeah.
site that you can sell stuff.
Yeah. You can get easy money on that
Yeah.
side.
Easy cash.
Easy cash it is. So Bara, what type of software engineering do you want to learn?
So personally, I like website development because now there is many technologies based on website. For example, Figma used for designing, right?
Yeah.
Designing UI. Figma is powered by the web.
Mhm.
So there is so many potential on website. So I currently interested in website.
Also, you're learning website.
Yes.
So why don't you learn another software engineering stuff?
Because
Like perhaps make an application.
because now it's possible to make an application based on web like WhatsApp. WhatsApp is can view on website and also can be an application too.
Is it hard though?
It's kinda, but not really.
Quite hard. Okay. Yeah. While I'm learning software engineering, it's like you doing some
Oh.
mathematics. Yeah, it's hard.
It's hard,
Quite hard.
but if you know the process and and you enjoy the process, is kind of fun. Actually,
I see. Multimedia is
also fun.
more
But
more enjoyable.
the problem in multimedia is I don't get a lot of inspiration. Where do you get it actually?
Usually I got it from social media like
Social media.
Dribble, Twitter, and Instagram.
So you get it from social media.
Yeah, it is. It's from social media. Yeah, you can just see the design,
And then you just get inspiration.
get
from there.
inspiration, then copy it first,
Uh-huh.
so you can know how to put it there, put it here, and then you redesign it.
Oh, so redesign, and then um, as more you do it, you will get more inspiration.
Yeah, right,
Oh.
correct.
So what software do you use at the first time?
First time, yeah, it's quite embarrassing for me to tell you,
Yeah.
because the first software, uh, designing software that I first used is when I was 5 years old.
5 years old.
Microsoft Paint.
What? So you use your mouse?
Yeah, it's my mouse. Yeah,
Paint?
yeah, some silly stuff like a rectangle, circle, some
Oh.
random stuff like that.
So what do you use now?
Now I use Figma and sometimes Canva for good templates and presentation.
So you switch from Microsoft Paint when 5 years old,
Yeah.
and now you are using Figma.
Yeah, using Figma. Yeah, Figma is quite quite hard to understand because it's for professional. Not saying that I'm professional. Yeah. So yeah, it's quite hard to learn it first time, but as when you use it more and more, you can
It's kind of familiar.
yeah, you can get familiar from the shortcuts and the tools.
So you don't use the Adobe Office Suite, or why you just use Figma? Why don't use like Adobe Illustrator?
The reason is I'm broke.
Oh, you broke.
Yeah, it's quite expensive to buy.
Yes,
I
it's
don't-
also subscription based.
Yeah, it is. Capitalism. So, what tools that you use on the
First time.
your first time software engineering stuff?
Well, first time I make a website using Notepad. So
Notepad.
I use
Oh.
a basic Notepad.
Yeah, that free website domain thingy, right?
What? No.
Oh.
The built-in web Microsoft Windows.
Oh yeah, I know.
Notepad application. And then next I switched to Notepad++.
Mhm.
Next I switched to Sublime Text because Notepad++ is too it's not too advanced, and there is not a lot of option. But Sublime Text is also paid, so I switch again to a new code editor that now is popular. Is Visual Studio Code.
So, do you use of WordPress?
Here I also learn WordPress, but before I don't learn it. But in IDN we learn WordPress, so I know a little bit about WordPress.
Oh, so wait, you use Visual Studio Code.
For editing the file.
Oh, so Visual Studio Code is more advanced than WordPress or something like that.
No, Visual Studio Code is more advanced than the normal text editor. You just making website is just like a plain text.
Oh, so you made it from the scratch, from the plain stuff.
Yes.
Oh, so you can design it by on yourself. Oh, okay, that's interesting.
Before website, actually, like anybody else, learn Scratch. You know Scratch?
Yeah, no, I learned that on the 7th grade, just like you like
Yes.
that catching fruit stuff. Yeah, nostalgic, not gonna lie.
And then after Scratch, I learned some like App Inventor. It's kind of like Codular. You know Codular?
Yeah, I know.
We learn it in IDN.
Yeah, we'll learn it right now.
And then now I'm interested in making website.
No. So, what is your website name?
Well, I actually don't make a website that often because focus on school.
On Ascal.
Yes. But currently, now we have everybody else have their own domain using WordPress for their project, right?
Yeah.
So I have in my domain barra.my.id.
Oh, okay.
What about you? You also have a website, right?
Yeah, I have, but the name is quite complicated.
Oh, why? Why you choose a complicated name for a domain?
Because why not?
So what's the name of the domain?
I kind of forgot.
You forgot.
Yeah.
So how you upload your project then?
No, I save it on the bookmarks of
Oh,
Google
the
Chrome.
bookmarks.
Yeah. So I
But
don't
you
quite
you
see
don't
the name.
remember it.
Yeah, I don't remember.
So I think multimedia. What do you prefer? I mean, UI UX. What do you usually design from UI UX? Is it just like UI for mobile application?
No, it's so many much variety that I design, like making streaming, like
Yes,
Netflix, yeah,
Netflix streaming application.
yeah, streaming application on the website,
UI.
yeah,
UI
website
website
UI,
UI.
yeah,
Oh.
and then mobile UI, just like the usual, and then yeah, that's all. I've made website UI and mobile UI.
So
That's all I got.
website UI. So then I can make it on my website from your design, right?
Well, if you have the money.
So do you currently how many design do you have made in total?
Total 1, 2, 3. But what type of design though? Because I've made some Instagram post design.
Oh, microblog.
Yeah, microblog.
So you can slide it on Instagram.
Yeah.
I think mobile application like usual. How many?
The UI UX. Okay.
Total.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 designs.
Oh, 6 design. And do you currently sell it on Fiverr or something?
No, I haven't do it because I'm still focusing on my
Oh, still
scale, just like
focusing
you.
too. Yeah.
But one of my biggest project is the idea and fast project. You know it?
No.
Last year, last year,
ID and Fast project. What's that?
the UI UX project that you need to make food application.
Photo application.
Food.
Oh,
Food.
food application. How many page the design?
Well, it's quite many, so many. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 page. It's just for the animation. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
for
so
animation.
many.
So
The
there's
rest,
like the home page.
yeah, I think the total is 13. Yeah,
Oh, 13 frame.
13
Big
frame, or perhaps 23. I don't know. I forgot.
Oh.
It's so many, just so many.
So where you post your design?
Yeah,
What social media?
I usually post it on Dribble,
Oh, Dribble.
and sometimes I post it on LinkedIn.
LinkedIn.
Yeah.
So do you have LinkedIn? So do you have any certificate? Is there any certificate in multimedia, like learning UI UX, and then you get like certificate?
Oh,
You share on
learning certificate. No, I haven't got anyone yet.
any certificate
Yeah.
relating multimedia?
No, I don't have.
Oh, what do you get then?
But
What certificate?
I have third position on the last year, 17 August, Indonesian Independence Day.
Oh,
Yeah, the Hadis poster.
you get the third.
Yeah, I got third position.
Oh, so good.
Yeah, it's quite shocking for me because
There's so many more people
yeah,
that probably more better than you, or
yeah, I was shocked. Like I made it without any preparation.
oh, you made it with an impression.
Yeah. So, do you have any project on your software engineering beside of website?
So I'm currently learning about a native program. So you made a program for desktop, but
Oh,
I think it's just a side project. I don't really focus it more. I'm more focused on website now.
okay. Wait, I have a question for you. So you say that you learn software engineering, right?
Yes.
Do you learn like the code stuff from Python, TypeScript, JavaScript,
Yes.
C++, and stuff like that?
Yes, but currently I want to learn Python, but
Mhm.
currently I don't have the time for learning.
Yeah, I know. It's a very short time to
Yes.
take your
Uh,
laptop and this stuff. Yeah.
It's only like, I don't know, 3 hours per day for using laptop a day in here. So it's quite a short time to actually learn something. So probably when the next holiday.
Okay. The next holiday on the next year,
Yes.
New Year holiday.
Yes. How long the holiday? Do you know it?
I think it's only 3 weeks or perhaps 1 month.
Oh,
One
3 weeks.
Yeah.
I think it's enough.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any question for me?
Well, do you have any plan on the future about what software do you use later, or what do you will switch design, like do you will switch to photography, video editing?
So design, yeah, I will still on the 3D project. 3D. No, I'm still learning 3D projects for the 3D models on the video game. So I'm currently learning Blender, but
Oh, for 3D, for
yeah.
3D.
But it's quite hard because
Yes, the control is so hard.
the control and the time for you taking a laptop, it's quite short. Yeah, it's make it way harder.
Yes.
But I've made a project that's a model of a rocket,
Okay.
a rocket shuttle
Yes, in
Yeah.
3D in Blender.
in 3D. Yeah.
Oh,
And I've made a 3D book and a donut.
oh, a basic donut.
Yeah, basic donut on the YouTube, right?
Yes.
You saw it? Yeah.
It's in the Blender Guru.
Yeah. Do you watch it?
Sometimes, but I'm not into 3D making stuff.
Yeah. My computer or laptop doesn't support because it's MacBook and
Oh, so where you make your 3D project then?
yeah, I force my Mac to run
Oh,
the Blender.
was it?
Yeah, it's so hard to
Is
blend.
it run badly or normal?
So bad. Like the frame, like frame per second. Oh my god, so bad.
Do you have any another laptop or PC at home that you can use for Blender?
Well, I doesn't have a PC and I only have a MacBook. I'm saving my money to buy a new phone.
So you forced to 6 FPS
Yeah,
Blender.
yeah, forcefully.
You will switch to photography or video editing?
No, not yet. Still on 3D designs.
Okay. I think it's enough. Is it enough? Yes.
I think
I think it's enough for this podcast. It's already, I don't know, for how many minutes. I think that's it. That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.